Hello everyone, my name is Sagar, and in this video we'll see how you can link a purchase order with your sales order. Let me tell you first of all what we are going to do. So assume we are a company. Our company is USMF, right? So we have a customer named as C1. So this customer needs a particular product from us. Let's say the customer need about 150 quantity from us. And currently we don't have these, like product and this much quantities. So what we'll do, we'll ask one of our vendor that please provide these many quantities to us. Okay, like this product, this much quantities. So what we'll do, our vendor will provide these, product to our company, USMF, and then USMF will, let me cut this. And then this USMF, like our company, will provide this product to our customers. So here, if you see, we need to create a PO as we need to buy something from vendor. And what we'll do, we'll simply sell the same to our customer. So we'll create a sales order. So a customer will ask something to us, so we'll create a sales order for that. Then that sales order, we are going to link with the purchase order. So this is the scenario that we are going to see now. Okay, so let me create a sales order. So I'll go to all sales order and I will create a sales order. Assume this customer. Okay, it is asking something from me. I will click on OK. And if you see the address where I need to deliver these goods are this, right? The customer address. Okay. Let's say customer is asking some product, this particular product. As we have seen, the customer is asking for 150 quantities. Okay, and what I will do, I will add site and warehouse here. I will say 1 and I will select this particular warehouse. I will simply save this. So now I have added everything that is needed here. Then I will go to my sales order, and what I will do, I will create a purchase order for this, right? Because this product I don't have, these quantities I don't have. I'm simply going to get it from my vendor and I will pass it. It will come to my store or location or warehouse, and I will sell it to customer and I will keep some margin. So now I will simply click on this purchase order. Okay, here you see this many quantities. Okay, all the information is here. I can click on this include, and now here from, as I'm creating a purchase order, so I need a vendor, right? And if you see the price for vendor, the vendor is going to give me this as 95. This is coming from my release product price setup. Now let me say that this particular customer, this one, okay, let's go with this 104. Okay, so the currency will be in euro because this is a euro. So I'm going to select this only so that the price would not be different because it was a Europe customer, so euro to USD conversion. And here you can see the sales order information, and I'm simply going to click OK. Now what will happen, exactly the same lines will get created for my purchase order. So I'll wait for this action to get completed. Okay, so the operation is completed, and you see this purchase order is created with 200. So I can expand this line details as well. And when I go to my product, So you see, the reference type is purchase order. So the sales order, it is somewhere linked with this purchase order with this number. So I can simply click on this purchase order, and this will navigate to me to my purchase order form. Okay, so my purchase order form is open now. And now the interesting thing here is, as you said, if you see this particular purchase order, you are going to get this into this particular location, right? So here the quantities and everything. If you see 95 is the price, but now when you will go to product, now you can see this purchase order is linked with this sales order. Now what I can do, I can confirm this purchase order. Here is my confirm. I can confirm this purchase order, and once I received these product and these many quantities, then I can deliver all these to my customer and I can keep my margin. Okay, so it got confirmed. I can further do picking and packing everything. Okay, and when I will do picking and packing, my inventory will get increased, right? And then I can deliver same to my customer. So let me complete this completely. Okay, here I can click on product receipt, that I've received this product. I can give a name as Sagar123. I'll click OK. Okay, now this is done. I will go to my sales order. Okay, I'm into my sales order now. I can confirm, I can do pick and pack, and I can confirm everything. And let me show you something here. Now when you go to transaction here, okay, let me go back. I will show you on hand here. Okay, so if you see here, physically reserved, 150 is reserved for this. And now let me duplicate this tab. And let me go to in release product, where is inventory management? And we'll go to, sorry, product information management. Let me go to release product. And I will search for that D365. Here I will go to my inventory. Let me go to transaction here. Okay, so if you see here, this is the purchase order, right? We received it. It actually add some inventory for this product. And you see all these are sold. These are for your sales order. And here is our inventory adjustment information. So what happened when we, did the product receipt, the, status of receipt will be received and our quantity will increase. So 150 quantities are added. Now when I will confirm the sales order, now let me confirm this. And when we'll do picking and packing, so you will see a change in your inventory transactions. Okay, we have some error here. Okay, now we'll need to fix this error. So to fix this error, what you can do, let's duplicate this tab. So we'll go to credit and collection. Here we go. And let me click here, all credit hold. So this is for that one. I'm going to release it. Let's say auto release. Let me release this. And I will click OK. Now the sales order will get confirmed from itself, from here itself. Okay, so the operation is completed now. When you see, currently if you see here, your channels are not visible, right? So when you will refresh, now these are visible because we directly confirmed it from here itself. And let's see if there is any changes in inventory. So no changes as of now. But now let's do our pick and pack. I'm going to generate picking list. And I will say all. Okay. And I will click OK here. I will say OK. So if you see still there is no changes, I'm going to pick. I will update. Again, let's check. So still if you see there are no changes. But now when I will do my post packing slip, I will say all. I will click OK here. But now you should see changes when I click on refresh. So you see this deducted, right? Issue deducted for sales order. This was a sales order 865. Yep. So this is how you can typically link your, I would say, sales and purchase order. Thanks for watching this video.